Thank you for consulting the Reynolds Historical Event Library. A research has located a video file which matches your query parameters. Before you view this file, it is a library requirement that you are informed of the temporal context of the file and its content. These are as follows. File information. File taken from one of 17 possible timelines for the requested temporal parameters. 14 of the 17 timelines contain similar events. The timeline for this file collapsed via entropy within 6 hours of the events depicted in the file. Due to its proximity to temporal collapse point, quality of the file cannot be guaranteed. Temporal context. November 2016. President Trump elected. Highly divisive election. Opponent Hillary Clinton wins popular vote. April 2017. Border war with Mexico commenced. May 2017. Citizen militia group formed. Citizen militia consisted of paramilitary base. July 2017. First sections of wall erected. November 2017. President publicly endorsed citizen militia. Group grows in power and influence. Responsible for public attacks on minorities. December 2017. Resistance groups are formed as a result of these attacks. February 2018. First sections of war breached. March 2018. President Trump orders citizen militia attacks on resistance groups. May 2018. President Trump demands Mexico make full and immediate payment for the war. Mexico declines. June 2018. U.S. launches trade war with Mexico and China. September 2018. Mexican military attack on wall. October 2018. President Trump replaces his personal security with citizen militia members. November 2018. Democrats, Greens and Independents decimate Republicans at midterm elections. Democrats hold majority in both houses of Congress. President Trump requests a recount of the results citing voter fraud. Erratic behavior by the president is observed at public events over the following weeks. The First Lady announces her separation from the president. The White House spokesperson resigns. Citizen militia replace all internal security at the White House. Standby. File dispatch in progress. File ID known as Emergency Alert System. National Emergency Warning.